If you're getting a Krita animation render error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get your animation exported properly without guessing. Render problems in Krita can happen for a few different reasons, like MP4 encoding issues, overloaded graphics, drivers, heavy system usage, an incorrect FFmpeg path, or trying to render at a resolution that's just too demanding for your computer. The good news is that these problems are usually easy to fix once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing I recommend doing is switching from MP4 to MKV. In a lot of cases, MP4 export can fail because FFmpeg has trouble encoding the video, especially if your graphics drivers are under pressure or your computer is already using a lot of memory. To change this, open your animation project in Krita and go to the Render Animation window. Look for the container or export format setting. If it's currently set to MP4, change it to Matroska, which is the MKV format. MKV is usually much more stable for rendering in Krita, and in many situations, it can bypass the export crash completely. Even if you plan to convert it later, this is often the safest format to render to first. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next thing to try is lowering the render resolution. Very large exports, especially 4K and above, can put a massive strain on your system. That can lead to memory overload, failed exports, or random crashes during rendering. In most cases, a standard Full HD resolution like 1920 by 1080 is the best place to start. If your animation was set to something higher, reduce it to a more manageable size and try rendering again. Lowering the resolution can make a huge difference in export stability, and it's one of the quickest ways to find out whether your system was simply being pushed too hard. Now, let's move on to one of the most common causes of Krita export problems, and that is the FFmpeg path. If Krita can't find the correct FFmpeg file, your render may fail even if everything else looks fine. To fix this, open Render Animation again and click the folder icon next to the FFmpeg path field. From there, navigate to Krita's installation folder. On Windows, the typical location is C:\program files /Krita x64 /bin /. Inside that folder, select FFmpeg.exe. This tells Krita to use its built-in FFmpeg installation directly, which often fixes path-related render errors immediately. If your installation is in a different location, just browse to wherever Krita was installed and make sure you select the correct FFmpeg executable. If video export still isn't working after that, there's one more very reliable backup method you should use, and that is exporting as an image sequence. In the Render Animation window, change the export type from video to image sequence. Then choose PNG as the output format. When you do this, Krita will export each frame as an individual image instead of trying to encode the whole video file at once. This is especially useful if your computer is struggling with direct video rendering, because image sequence export is often much more stable. Once the frames are exported, you can combine them later in another editor if needed. For a lot of creators, this is the safest way to make sure the animation is saved without losing work. So, to quickly recap, if you run into a Krita animation render error, first try switching MP4 to MKV, then lower your render resolution, then fix the FFmpeg path, and if needed, use PNG image sequence export as your backup. In most cases, one of those steps will get your render working again. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Krita issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.